it will be there if you're normally we resist to the fears. That's our normal reactions, and we do not do which we fear of. Now, how do we handle these fears? I'm meeting her for the first time, and there's something which is I want to talk to her, but I'm not able to talk to her because I may shiver. I meet somebody because I know that she's a very popular and very famous, and like she's a Shah Rukh Khan and or Amitabh Bachchan. So then I start shivering. How do I face that? How do I face it?
Trying to connect with your breathing.
Sorry?
Being aware of your breathing.
Yeah. If I'm being aware of my breath, I know my breath is multiplied and heartbeat is doubled. So I know that I am in fear. I've become part of the fear. I am completely. Now, how do I face it? Because you have accepted him as a big person, and that is why you are fearful. You fear because you have accepted him as a big person, big B-I-G, big person, big B. So that is why you are fearing.
Best way is to go and check it.
But still you are fearful. Then the fear will go off, no problem, once you start talking, once you start facing it. So I've already given an answer. You got to face the fears in life. You cannot suppress them. If you suppress your fear, they will come up again and they'll build your karmas which you have to suffer again. Maybe in multiplication, maybe in a big way. It's a wave which is coming. It's an energy which is flowing through you, which is a conditioning of you. This is this. This is this. You can say something. He's a small man. He's a big man. So in both cases, you have some complex. So you got to face that. You have to create that understanding that because till you do not cross the facing, you are not going to overcome it. It can be any fear. Where does fear come from? How does fear come from?
By thinking.
Yes, by thinking. Now, thinking is something which you already know because you are not thinking which you do not know.
Past experience.
The same thing. Past experience is something which you know and which is you're gone through and you're again thinking on it.
Imaginary fears.
Imagination is also something which you already think of, you know, or somebody has told you, so you can imagine. Otherwise, you are not that creative where you get connected and now you can think something. If you have realized and you have got connected, that center connection, then you are connected to everything, all information comes to you. But till you are not connected, there is something which comes from the Gita, which comes from the Quran, which comes from the Bible, or comes from somewhere, or some guru, XXX, somewhere it comes from the information, or some classes you have done, and that information is from there.
Or from some bureau.
Huh?
Or from some bureau.
Yeah, or some bureau, anything, or newspaper, or anything, or TV. Now what happens? Why do you fear crowd? It's not the fear of crowd, it's fear of you getting lost in the crowd. See, you understand why the fear is there. Because this lot of people where I am, you lose yourself. The fear of what? You cannot be. You don't have to go and give a speech over there. What is the fear when you face crowd? What is the fear of what? That where you are. You getting lost.
Stampede.
Stampede.
Fear of stampede.
Even right now also if I think of picture, I don't want to see it.
The TV has done miracles to us.
No. Picture in the sense, if I think about
TV and the media guys. Wrong news and false.
No, in fact that's the
She is
reason.
talking about a visualization of a crowd.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
How
It
fear
could
will
be.
come up.
No, but because there is some information in you which tells you that this may happen. So what we said, the visualization, that something may happen and you will be stamped, or you will be lost, or you will be
Claustrophobia.
Claustrophobia.
Some heavy man and then
Yeah.
That is
that fear is there with I think most of the women.
many have it.
Yeah, the people, a working lady has that, always have the fear of that man looking with the wrong angle and at the wrong places. And they always fear that even when talking to anybody, married or old or young, except the young is very young and she doesn't know, she's not much aware, then she's okay. But otherwise, once she's little matured, she knows about her body and understanding of the body, they have this fear. Sometimes, many a times, it is put by the parents into them ki this is what.
And
the-
marriage the
but
in-laws.
sometimes
It's
it is
fear.
they have that sixth sense
Instinct.
yeah.
That is not fear. If there is an instinct, that is not fear. You will face it. If there is an instinct, you will react automatically.
Automatically
See,
react.
even there is a car coming and you feel the car, you will come down under the car and you move off. That is not fear.
That is reflex.
That is reflex. That is your intelligence.
It's a preparation.
It's an intelligence. It's super intelligence. That is your awareness. That is what the internal you, actual you, that comes over there.
After you say yourself, the fear comes in. My God, what
Ah,
happened?
then.
The fear then comes in.
Then comes.
That moment the fear is not there.
Like, you just move like cut करके train आया bus आया and you know or you will be under the bus or you will be under the car and you will meet an accident
Yeah,
and
that
if
is
you
an
if
immediate
the
reflex action.
reflex action that
That's
is
a
not
reflex
yeah that is not fear.
But when you are surrounded with men and out of 10 men around, only that one person is looking, but that instinctively you can come to know that
Yeah, you come.
out of that 10, that one person is.
That is a natural gift given to females. It's a God gift the females have. If somebody is looking to them with that wrong angle or something, they just come to know कि यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
And once they cross that and they feel no it is safe, then they may get trapped into it. You know?
Even direct looking is not enough. Even if the
Yeah. If you are
there.
thinking also, they can catch
You
that.
can, you
immediate.
can sense it.
Yeah, you can sense it. That's a special thing which is God gifted to ladies. So that is not fear, but once you know, then you are careful. That's all. Once you are careful and aware, yes sir. Okay, now let's get into the fear again. The fear, basically, if we try to understand, it's a darkness. There is a coin. The fear is one side of the coin. Fear is not something which is 100%. What is the other side of the fear?
Courage. Other side of
If you have courage, there is no fear.
awareness.
Awareness, no fear.
I didn't get your question, sir.
There is one coin.
Ah.
So one side that 10 rupees ka sikka and one side that tin share. So the other side is what? This side is fear. So it is same thing.
Darkness and light.
Darkness is fear. What is the other side?
Anger.
Nah, anger is fear itself. It's a important fear. Anger is important fear. जब कुछ नहीं कर सकता डर में तो वो गुस्से में बाहर आता है या उस तरह से तो anger is important fear.
Should be happiness.
No, the pleasures.
The pleasure.
Because you want pleasures in life, and that is why there is a fear in life. So the one side is fear, the other side is pleasure. Wherever you have fear, you understand that you are looking for some pleasure in life, and that is why you have a fear. कि नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं होगा तो जो नहीं मिलेगा नहीं होगा वो आपको चाहिए है, वो आपको उसका मजा आएगा. Last,
Yes.
you understanding? You
Not
go-
fully. The last sense. The last set I didn't get.
If there is a fear, is one side of the coin. The other side of the coin of the fear is pleasure.
Yeah. I
You're
understand
looking
that.
for some pleasure, and that's why you fear that you may not get it, and that's why you have a fear. You agree with this?
Yeah.
Huh? I may not pass. If I pass, I am happy. Otherwise, I am not happy. If I get this, I am happy. Otherwise, I am not happy. So that not happy is your fear. That puts you into fear.
So that state of unhappiness is fear.
Yeah. If there is a fear, you are unhappy. And wherever there is a desire, there is unhappiness. Wherever there is a desire. If there is a desire of something, are you happy at that moment? Do you want to eat ice cream? Very simple desire, to have an ice cream. Are you happy?
Yeah,
I'm happy at the prospect of having an ice cream.
But are you happy?
Till it's not fulfilled.
Till you, yeah.
You are not happy. So every desire you have, you are unhappy till that time the desire is over, and after the desire is over, the next desire is ready to come in कि after ice cream थोड़ा सा टहल लेते हैं या कुछ कर लेते हैं. You know, there is something which comes out. And in life it becomes very difficult to prick each bubbles which comes up, and you have to blast it with the needle. So what is the root cause of fear? Huh? Yes, desire. Desire should be there. I don't deny desire. Desire should be there. But if desire is taking you down, the desires are, you have to be aware. So what is the, I'm giving the answers also when I'm talking, so just what is the root cause of desire, of fear? Pleasures, yes, but
Expectations,
expectations.
happiness.
So, yeah, all these things are. Now, how do we overcome the fear? Because at the end, we are looking for the answer. How do we overcome?
by generating
But
love.
then other desire comes in.
By
Staying
generating
in the
love.
moment.
Staying in the moment.
Yes, accepted.
Acceptance.
Acceptance.
So if I feel like having ice cream, I accept it. I feel like having ice cream. I don't have ice cream.
After having the ice cream, you accepted it, okay?
I had ice cream. What to accept
Then
then?
after
No, enough.
It's already calling.
So next time, no ice cream.
So only you don't get ice cream. You don't get the ice cream.
What
So accepted, I'm not getting it.
I'm not getting it. So not getting it. I'll get sometimes else.
मैंने ना बोला आइसक्रीम नहीं मिलेगा शक्ति
Oh, it's okay. नहीं मिला आज तो
Now,
it's
if your child,
Being aware that this desire is coming.
being aware of that desire, lovely answer. The answer is only being aware that this is what is happening within me. I have a desire. Lovely. Now that desire, the suffering is not there. You know that desire is there. Whenever you want, you get the ice cream, you can buy the ice cream and you can have. But that desire is not something which is pushing you. Go have ice cream. Leave everybody. So it won't give you emotions of anger or suffering. Or it's there. If there is a fear, first if you recognize the fear, half the fear is gone. You know that, yes, I am fearful. Now you know that it's okay. I'm fearful. I know. I have to face it because I have to face it. Oh, there's a lovely ad that डर के आगे जीत है. It's a wonderful ad, wonderful message given by advertising people that डर के आगे जीत है. Because you got to cross that. Without crossing, you still will be there only, and that will again come up again. Normally, what happens to us? We suppress the fear. कि ठीक है. We don't want to think about it. We don't want it around. क्या करें छोड़ो वहाँ नहीं. And that is what we do. Then we teach our children, don't go there. Don't do it. This will happen. This may happen. And we put him into that imagination. What our fear, we feed the children. Now the child, when he grows up, he already has his own fears. And plus, he develops more fears which he develops, which are fed and plus his. So he grows with a double fear.
1 plus 1 plus 1.
Yeah, it's multiplied. So fear is something which doesn't let you grow, which pulls you down, pulls your energy away, and you do not have much energy to complete the task also. If you know you have a bad boss, everybody has a bad boss. Or if boss is not bad, husband is bad. If husband is not bad, they are better half. They're better half. See, look at the eyes.
Fear of Pupa.
that's
Fear of
that's
Pupa.
fear of Pupa.
Really? This is news?
So, where were we?
Me.
How do we face the fear? By being aware. once we are aware of the fear, that yes, you have to learn to recognize that fear. Yes, I am fearful. Now what will happen, you know that you are fearful, the half of the fear is gone and you know that you have to face it. Stop. Once you put your word across, then fear won't harass you. Then you are ready. You get that courage. So develop that courage, you have to face it. Till you do not face it, facing is not courage. What we call daring. Daring comes after awareness. Then you are all prepared. Then you are consciously facing the fear. Otherwise, you are unconsciously facing the fear. You may face it as an anger or as a resistance or as argument or something like that. But we have to face the fear wonderfully with smile. Then you can, and that is only comes when you are aware of the fear. Because awareness gives you a strength to face. Awareness is your strength, because now once you are aware, that thought process continuously which is going on, which is draining out your energy, it won't. You are saving your energy. That energy you can utilize for your creativity. Most of the time we do a business and we fear that it may not do well. We are talking about the bad bosses. Everybody has a bad boss. How do you face the bad boss? In workplace, I don't think anybody has a good boss. You have a good boss. Lovely, lucky one. Introduce me. Very rarely you have a good boss. He's not bad as a person, but his conditioning are in a way where he behaves in a different way. And we do not like his behavior, so we think he is a bad person. But actually saying, he is not a bad person. Dr. Sir, chair? Getting this point?
When you're anticipating something.
You're visualizing something. It may happen, it may not happen.
Yeah.
So basically the fear, if it may happen, then there is no fear. You're confident that it will happen, and it may not happen. That is your fear.
Yeah.
But if you know your subject very well, will you fear? If I'm talking about a fear and I know my subject as a fear very well, I won't be fearful to talk to you. I am ready that if some question comes, I am ready to answer that question. So I am ready about that subject. That understanding is already there. Because if we are aware, understanding grows. So if I face the fear, if I am aware, I grow into understanding, and that understanding will transcend into the better me, the aware me, which in one word which you call love. Because till the fear is not replaced with love, the fear will be there. Because pleasures and bliss, they are two different things. Pleasures are momentary and their fears are momentary too. They are not always there. They are based on the situations. If you are always into fear, then you need a doctor where you are into depression and you are thinking of one particular thought continuously. Depression is you are into one thought continuously. Next, this will happen. This will happen. Anything happens, you have only one answer to that. Either I will die, or something may go wrong, or something of losing self, losing everything, losing loved ones. That is continuous. That is depression. But these fears are momentary. Any fear which is momentary, which has to go away. But you have to learn to face the fear, because there is no other way. If you don't look at the fear, you are avoiding it. It will come back to you, because that situations are coming back again and again. Like facing the crowd, you will be facing it somewhere on the railway station, in a group, in a theater, wherever you go. The crowd is there, and especially in Bombay, because if you just go out of the house, there is a crowd. You are walking on the road. The roads are not proper, so you have to walk where the crowd is walking. You cannot walk away from them. So that you have to face the crowd. Now there's another fear. The fear of death. How many of you fear death? Death. Do you fear that?
I face 4 times.
Huh?
Certain death.
Certain death.
You face. I've gone there and come.
Ah, lovely.
4 times.
Lovely.
This is such accident.
Now, I'll just tell you one small thing which I was just discussing with Rupande. Now, I'll just share one beautiful thing. You know, when somebody is dying, old person is dying, how you will talk to that person?